Hello student, in this video I will explain what type of OS services are provided. I will explain one by one what are the services we can provide in a operating system. What are the services we can provide in operating system? First one is program development. Second one is program execution. Third one is access IO devices. And fourth one is file system. Fourth one is file system access. And fifth one is error detection and response. What are the services we can provide in operating system? First one is the program development, second one is program execution, third one is access input output devices, and fourth one is file system access, and last one is error detection and response. It means it helps to provide these services, 5 services. We take a one computer, or we can buy a one computer. Means first we need some hardware and activate some. We need software. Then it will be worked. Then afterwards we can go for the program development. After we can go for the execution. Afterwards we can access the input output devices. Then we can access the file systems, and we can detect the error, and we can respond. Everything we can do in a operating system. What are the roles of OS will be there? What are the role will be there in a OS? Role of OS. What are the role will be there? A computer is set of resource for storage or processing the data. A computer is a set of resource for storage and processing the data. This is the first rule. This one is the first rule of OS. What are the computer we can use that will be, we can, what are the storage or what are the processing data we can use, everything we can check. That one is the first rule. Computer is a set of resource for the storage and the processing data. Second one is the OS is responsible for managing these resources. What are the resources we can manage? Storage and processing data. That data will be responsible to managing the resources. That one is the second rule of the OS. In this operating system, what are the components we can use in a before class? I will explain. Hardware, OS, and application program and users used to provide the services. In this operating system, there are 2 types of views will be there. In your operating system, 2 types of views. What are the 2 types of views we can use in operating system? First one is the user view of OS. Second one is the system view of OS. Viva OS. In your user view of OS means first we can check the hardware, computer hardware, then it will be connected to the what are the operating system we can use. Anything operating system, it means Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat, anything you can use in operating system, that will be connected to the some compiler, assembler, text editor, and database systems. Database system we can use. In your compiler is some user 1 will be used, user 2 will be used the assembler, user 3 they will use the text editor, and end user will be use the database systems. That is the user views. Someone we can use the compiling, someone we can use assembling, someone text editing, and someone we can use the user. A number of user will be access to the database system. That is the user view of operating system. It means user view of computer means we can various according to the interface being used. The most of the user sit in front of the personal computer consisting of the monitor, keyboard, mouse system. That one we can use to use the system or various according to the interface being to the user. That one we can call it as a user view. Otherwise we can use the mainframe, mini computer, that other types of terminals. Many user accessing the same computer through the terminal or share the resources, many exchange information. That one we can call it as a user view of the operating system. The OS such cases designed to the maximum resource utilization. Some computer have little or no user view. That one we can call it as a user view of the operating system. We'll give some example of user view means embedded computer. It means computer both the hardware and the software, it to perform the specific function. That one we can call it as a embedded computer. Or digital camera or mobile phone. That one is the best example of the user view of the operating system. Next one is system view of the operating system. That one I will explain in the next class. Thank you.